National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for north central Clarendon County in central South Carolina, central Sumter County in central South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near South Sumter, moving north at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. The following effects are expected: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include South Sumter, Mulberry, Maysville, and East Sumter.
Well, you gotta win it.